What's up, fam? I'm gonna show you how to make some heavy melodic techno like I.O. The Avant sample pack I made this with is in the description. I hope you guys like this. So check it out.
You, come with me, come with me. Don't play with me.
Dripment.
Yes, sir. 3, 2, 1, and yes. We're making techno out here. We're making some hard melodic techno. I don't even know what's going on right now, but we're doing it. Like I said, a lot of these sounds and samples were from the Avant sample pack. They're making some fire, so get that in the description. I want to show you guys how I made this because, man, this is just so fun. I even recorded my own vocal. Don't play with me. Check it out right here.
Back here.
That's back here.
Don't play with me.
That's Don't Play With Me. Learning easy. Aight. Cool. So first thing we start this song off with, and the first thing I was thinking of is just that fat kick. So I found this. They have like kick and rumble loops. That's just freaking hard, right? So what I did, this is what it was originally. And I use a G clip to just clip it. Just to make it aggressive and too much. I use this EQ to start cleaning up some frequencies. I use this EQ to clean up more frequencies. It's auto filter. Not really doing much. And you see here, see that automation? We'll have some automation going on some of these kicks too. So no sub, and then bring it in. I'm just doing cool automation like that with the kicks. So the kick, as you see, it says D. So I'm going to be writing in D. So I just write some simple chords. These D chords. While those chords play, we have like a respace going up, kind of progressing it. So as you know, the notes I pick are based on the scale. So if I'm in D, I start at D, I'm at home, I like chill, I go up. I'm using these one semitone relationships to like add darkness. So see how they're right next to each other, highlighted. I use these notes and then go back to D, and we just end up back at D. We just keep looping like that. That's how I'm laying out my notes. This one is different though. This one we didn't even pay attention to the home note this time. We actually are at the 6, 7, then the home note at the top, back 6, 7. So like we're using the root note for the end rather than the beginning. We're kind of using it in a different way here. We have like a little, like a bell. This Avant techno lead, I use a techno washout verb, and I really just like make a bell out of it. That's before. Redux. And then this. Adds so much space. That's on the downbeat. You have nice melodic arps that are playing. I pitched this to D. It was an E. I pitched it to D. These little synth loops. Clean. These are just like strings, some contact, add more emotion. And this is like the main lead melody that I made in Omnisphere. This is in D2, of course. Start at the home and just chill around and eventually lead back home at the... You see, we went up, so like there's low octave and then we move up to this D and the higher octave and then we chill up here. We're kind of like moving that way. Really fun. It's all adding energy. We'll just start building the drums.
Back here.
Simple drums are there. These hats are keeping everything fast the whole time, you know what I'm saying? These Avant hats I use constantly. These hat loops. And then, of course, we need the offbeat hat. Have even more. So I'll be doing a lot of just to add fast energy, fast movement, and then usually I'll just EQ them. You know, see how I'm taking out all these highs. Used to sound like this. So I'll be EQing a lot of stuff, taking out high frequencies just to blend everything in together. With this vocals, I'll like pitch some of them down octaves. Some of them will be regular. I'll chop them up. All kinds of different stuff. And on these sections, I automate delay. So just one word, I automate the delay so it fills up this whole space. Really nice and techno. That makes sense. Her technos with her vocals with my vocals. Building up energy.
Don't play with me.
Yeah. This is a drop. Main drop kick, techno, Avant, kick D, drum bus, making it fat, glue compressor, making it fat, EQ8, cleaning up. Clean. Yes. And then lastly, my favorite part. Another Omnisphere patch. Lots of reverb. Of course, this is in D. You know what I'm saying? We're actually using the third. Dun, 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 and then we end at the home at D. Makes everything sound in perfect harmony. These, by the way, this is Silent making these. Maybe one day I'll make a video on how to make these. If you want, just let me know in the description. You can do something like that, but I hope you guys like this. Man, this is some melodic, heavy techno that we be making out here. We got all these different bass lines and subs together. A lot of different Avant samples going. Like I said, if you want to learn how to use Silent, I can make a separate video showing how to make this main bass lead thing here. Otherwise, everything else is just like a kick and a sub, you know what I'm saying? Just simple, one time, right here. That's the feeling we need. That's how we get down. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you like the techno. Stay fresh. Peace out.